to the beautiful motherfuckers.
A key trait of the internet alpha male is overcompensation. Men who are actually masculine don't need to tell you that they are masculine, they simply are. I have yet to hear Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson have a mental breakdown over a leaf blower.
Shut! Watch. There you go. There you go. Hey! 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 Take that shit the fuck out of here! Hey! Get out of the backyard. I'm trying to do something. This shit's too fucking loud. It's way too loud. Get the fuck out. Go! I'm doing something. Go! Fuck!
Pope Leo, for example, is not just an alpha male, but a mega alpha male, being one of the most powerful people on the planet. Yet, in spite of all of this, he, to my knowledge, has never been in a fistfight, has never gotten into internet feuds, has never staged fake wrestling matches, and probably has never even gotten laid.